Hello everyone, welcome back to class. Today we will deal with the soil conservation. Why we do soil conservation? Because soil erosion is there. To conserve that erosion, we do soil conservation. The process of soil from soil erosion is known as soil conservation. The process of soil from soil erosion is known as soil conservation. These are the method of soil conservation from erosion. These are the method of soil conservation from erosion. Number one, you see in plain field. In plain field, how we can conserve the soil? By growing grass or by planting fast growing plant and tree. By growing grass or by planting fast growing plant and tree. In the forest and grassland, how we will conserve it? By avoiding overgrazing. Okay. In crop field, what we will do in crop field? In crop field, by making bun. Okay. In hilly slopes, how you will conserve in hilly slope? By trellis farming. How you will do? By trellis farming. On field near river, how you will do? By embankment or by constructing dam. Okay. By constructing dam or by making embankment. With this you can do near the river or near the field or river. This is the flow chart of the method of soil conserved from the erosion. Flow chart of the soil conserved from erosion. Okay. This flow chart nicely you are seeing. This you can draw in your copy nicely. Okay. And you learn it also. So first point, in plain or field by growing grass. So what you have to do here? In plain field can cover with grass or some fast growing plant just to convert the soil. Why we are covering the grass planting there? Just to cover the soil we are planting there grass. Okay. And if we grass plant, which also known as a runner, cover the soil fast and hold the soil with the fibrous root. They cover the soil and they hold the soil with the fibrous root. Okay, next one you are seeing that in forest and grassland. In forest and grassland, what you will do? Here number 1 point, number 2 point is also there. Planting fast growing plant and tree. So what you have to do here? Here so first you have to plant a grass. If you will plant a grass, fibrous root is there. This fibrous root will hold the soil and it will conserve the soil. It will protect the soil from soil erosion. Next one, planting fast growing plant and tree. To save the top soil, tree or small plant can be planted. We can plant tree or small plant whose root can hold the soil tightly. Why? Because that root can hold the soil tightly and avoid soil erosion Understood? Planting large number of tree is known as afforestation. Planting large number of tree is known as what? Afforestation. This is also known as afforestation. Understood? What is afforestation? Planting fast growing plant and tree is known as afforestation. If we will plant this tree, the root they will hold the top soil and it will help the soil from the erosion. It will help the soil from the erosion. So they hold the soil tightly, the root, and they help the soil from erosion. This is also known as what? Afforestation. Understood? So you have know about the afforestation, planting fast growing plant and tree is known as afforestation. Why we do this afforestation? To save the soil from soil erosion. This tree or plant, they hold the soil, they hold the top soil, this root hold the top soil tightly, and it helps the soil, protect the soil from soil erosion. Understood? Next one, in forest or grassland. In forest and grassland, by avoiding overgrazing. So we have to avoid overgrazing and it can conserve the soil. We can conserve the soil. Next one, in crop field, by making bunds. So in crop field you have seen that soil erosion can be prevented by making a high boundary of mud in the form of bunds. Big farms can be divided into small field area with boundaries. Big farm can be what we can do? Divide it into a small farm with the small field area with boundary. Understood? So for making burn we can do this one. Next one, on hill slope by terrace farming. On hill slopes what we can do? We can do by terrace farming. What is a terrace farming? So hilly area are slanting, you are knowing hilly area, which type of hilly area having slanting. So the rainwater flow very rapidly. In hilly area it is slanting and rainwater flow very rapidly. Understood? As the water flow, it carry the topsoil. As water flow, what it will do? It will carry the topsoil. It will carry the topsoil. So avoid this wastage. We have to avoid this wastage. What we are doing in the hilly area, we can make a step by step. We can make a step or terrace. What we are doing? We are making a step or terrace in hilly area. Understood? So by hill slopes, the slopy area is there. If sloping area is here, so what happened? Flow will be, water flow will be there. Water flows, it carries topsoil, then topsoil will be carried off. So what we have to do? So wastage of that soil, we have to do their step or terrace farming. Which type of farming we are doing? By step or terrace. The slow down the flow water. This step and terrace, what they will do? They slow down the flow water. Plantation on such step will drastically reduce the erosion of soil, and this will also reduce the erosion of soil. This method of farming prevent the soil erosion, and this terrace method of farming will it will be the reduce the soil erosion, it will prevent the soil erosion. That is known as terrace farming. Understood? Next one, on the field near river. Near river field is there, what we are doing? We are making a constructing dam there, or we are making embankment. We are making embankment or construct the dam. So embankment and dam is a checking soil erosion. During heavy rain and flood, the river overflow and wash the top from the nearby field and make them infertile for the next crop. Embankments are usually built on the bank of a river with a stone or rock. Where we make this embankment on the bank of a river with stone and with rock. And dams help to collect the flood water. These dams, what does dams do? Collect the flood water instead the letting them to go into the field. This collect the flood water and instead that go to the field. Okay, the water that collected in dam can be used whenever water is needed for farming and generated the electricity. And in this dam what we are collecting water, it can be used further, we can use for making the electricity or in the field. So it is clear to you all. Today we have learned about the soil conservation. What is soil conservation? To protect the soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Protection of soil by erosion is known as soil conservation. And this soil conservation is divided into, it is a flow chart. To conserve from erosion, it can be the plain field, the forest and grassland, in crop field, on hilly slope, on a near a river. Okay, it is divided into two. By growing grass will grow, then it will hold the soil tightly and protect the soil. By afforestation, this one, or planting or growing more tree, that is known as afforestation. If we will do this, then what, topsoil will be holded by their root and it will save from erosion. Next one, avoiding overgrazing. We have to avoid the overgrazing to protect the soil erosion, conserve that. In the crop field, by making bunds, we have to make bunds in the crop field. Why? So that it can be divided, a large area divide into a area with the boundary. Next, in the slope we have to do the terrace farming. If we will do the terrace farming, it will protect the water flow is there. This flow will protect the soil from erosion. Okay. Next one, in the field or river, what we are doing, embankment or construct the dam. If we will construct the dam, the flood water will come and it will deposit there, and that further that water we will use as a electricity or you can use in the field. And embanking we are doing here. What we are doing, this big stones we are near the river we are putting, and we are making this embankment. Understood? It is clear to you all. So today you have learned about soil erosion. Okay, what you have learned? You have learned about the soil erosion, and this is the flow chart of soil erosion. You will draw it and you will learn it nicely. Okay, today this much. Next class again I will continue with the chapter.